How to download Thinkorswim desktop. In this video, I will show you how to download and install the Thinkorswim desktop platform step by step. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to the official website of Thinkorswim, which is right here. And once you're here, hover over the trading platforms menu and click on Thinkorswim desktop, which is right here. If you don't have a Thinkorswim desktop Ameritrade account yet, you'll need to sign up first. So go ahead and click on open an account and follow the instruction to create one. But if you already have an account, you can skip this specific step and continue straight to download by logging in. And on the Thinkorswim page, you just have to click on the download Thinkorswim button. Select your operating system, whether Windows, Mac iOS, or Linux, and the installer file will begin downloading automatically to your computer. And once the download is complete, all you have to do is to open the installer file and follow the setup instruction. Agree to the terms and click on install. The installation usually takes just a few minutes. And after installation, open the Thinkorswim desktop app. Enter your TD Ameritrade username and password, and then click on login. And from here, you can start exploring charts, paper trading, or live trading if your account is funded. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. If you got a question, just drop it in the comments below.